Oh, so we're looking at a pair of gloves, and normally I would take these out for a motorcycle ride, but it's January and it's winter outside, and we're not going anywhere. Today I'm going to be checking out these ultra thin tactical gloves from NexTorch. And even though they're marked, I think, as tactical, these are honestly, I think, way more practical than just that. So if you are someone that, let's say, rides a motorcycle, drives a lot, or possibly works with your hands, or just want gloves that don't feel bulky, these may actually be right up your alley. So this is going to be a pretty quick, I want to say, first look, real world kind of test of these. Super fast unboxing because, as you can see, it literally comes in a bag. Then I'll try them on and talk about the features that I think actually matter. Unboxing time. And I mean, this is going to be probably the fastest unboxing I've ever done on this channel because, as you can see, they come in a simple bag. No box, no foam, no extras. You just kind of open them up, rip them open here, and that's it. There's gloves and a tag. That's all. Honestly, I actually don't even mind that because, less waste and you get straight to the point because you know what? They're gloves. That's it. So, yeehaw. So let's actually, well, we'll throw them on here just to see how they work. If you guys are at all interested, they come with a bunch of little things here. Next torch. I don't know what that is. Something that says they're awesome, I'm sure. touch, so they're touch for gloves, right? Engineered for touchscreen compatibility. Cordura, though, that's excellent. A lot of motorcycle gear uses Cordura, so I like that. Excellent. We're just gonna throw them over here. Now these, just so you know, these are a 3XL. So if you are ordering these, I don't normally take a 3XL by any means. So just make sure if you are ordering these, they have a measurement chart. Please use the measurement chart because I think it's going to be important. Anyways, let's just throw one of these on here. I do like, I don't know if you guys can see that. They have the normal strap, but they have this little area right here, which is kind of nice. I like that. Velcro seems, decent. That stays in there so it doesn't end up flapping all over the place. Yeah, see, and I don't have, huge hands. Normally, I probably take a large to an extra large. So the fact that these are 3XL, just kind of be aware. Anyways, first impressions, they, because they're so thin, I probably could have went a smaller size, but they do feel like a second skin. They're ultra, I don't know what's the word I'm thinking of. I would think if I went smaller, they'd be like super nice and snug without actually feeling tight. And right now, that's kind of how they feel. And once you actually tighten up this, then they feel like really like locked in, which is nice. And I think what really stands out right away is they feel very much like you're barehanded, which is really nice for these. These use what's called a one-piece ultra-thin fingertip design, so they're not bulky, or there aren't any bulky seams at the tips. That means I can move my fingers pretty naturally, almost like I'm not even wearing a glove because they kind of fold over here. As you may be able to see, there's no actual seams on the tip, which is cool. Now, for motorcycle riders, I think this is going to be a really big thing because you want precise throttle, brake, and all your controls, not feeling like you're wearing a big oven mitt. So this is going to really be nice. And I can easily pick up, like, there's no problems me picking up whatever. I can pick up, all kinds of little things here. So I think, that's going to be great. The issue a lot of times with gloves, of course, is they can't pick up anything. So the fact that I can just reach over here, pick up some zip ties, right? Zero issues at all. Little SD card over here. Yep, picked up. Excellent. Now, let's talk about, of course, one of my favorite features, and a feature that, again, if you're a motorcycle rider or just anybody, I think you're going to appreciate. And that's just, the gloves are made for touchscreen use. So these have full palm conductive fibers. Sounds impressive, I know. Meaning that all 10 fingers, not just like these ones, are touchscreen compatible. So, for instance, if I come over here, and you guys can't see it, but can I move my phone up and down? Yeah, that's my index finger. I'm going to go to my pinky, right? Yep, perfect. That's exactly what you want. So I have to say, amazing, right? I'll be able to unlock my phone. I'll be able to scroll, open apps. do some kind of typing. Probably not the best thing to do while I'm riding a motorcycle, but you get what I'm saying. I can do my pinch to zooms all without having to take my gloves off. Yeah, that's excellent. So I think this is a big deal, especially again for riders and just normal everyday users. You know, the fact that you don't have to peel a glove off at a stoplight just to check your GPS or change your music. And unlike gloves that only work with, like I said, a single fingertip, every finger here works. So that is awesome. Super nice. Next up, grip. You guys see this? So the palm here uses what they call a 3D silicone texture, and you can actually feel it when you grab and hold something. So I'll just grab my remote over here, you know, it like because of that rubber, this gives you a pretty rock solid grip. And I can see that this would be really grippy in both wet and or dry conditions. So again, for motorcycle riding, because where my focus is, that means, you know, there's going to be some confidence with that control on your handlebars. And for everyday use, it means things like tools, steering wheels, or even your smartphone. I'm not going to say they aren't going to slip out of your hands, but they probably shouldn't slip out of your hands, and you really won't be able to blame the gloves. And even though these gloves are thin, they still feel very, I want to say, secure. They do feel like there's definitely some substance to them, which again is really nice. Let's talk about comfort. So these are designed, of course, to not overheat your hands, even in extreme heat. So these use a breathable mesh and cooling lycra. I think I got the word right, lycra, which helps keep airflow moving through the gloves. And according to NexTorch, they're actually designed to stay comfortable even in 100-degree plus temperatures. Now that's probably 100-degree plus Fahrenheit, not Celsius. And indoors, like I said, right now, my hands already feel nice and cool, definitely dry. And it's, 20, 21 degrees in here. So I have no sweaty palms, no clammy feeling on my hands. And if they do get damp, they should dry nice and fast. So this is going to really make them great for things like summer riding, working outside, or wearing these for long periods without needing to again, have to take them off, which I think. Durability. These are Core something or other. So even though they're ultra thin, these definitely aren't delicate, fragile gloves. No, they're reinforced again with Cordura, which is known for their serious durability. So that means high wear areas are definitely built to last, even in high intensity or a daily use environments. So again, me riding on a motorcycle for 8-10 hours, they should have no issues. So whether you're riding, working, or just someone who's rough on their gear, these shouldn't fall apart after a few uses. They also include a soft thumb panel. You can kind of see it here, the soft thumb panel right in this area, right up top here. This is great for wiping sweat or cleaning your glasses, and a small loop so you can clip or hang them when you're not wearing them. So again, you have this little loop here, right? That you can This is the wipe the snot off your face, I guess, whatever you need, right? There's that little loopy deal inside. Cool. Anyways, who do I think these gloves are actually for? Honestly, a lot of people. Some of the people that I think would benefit from gloves like these would be motorcycle riders, again, who want maximum control and they want that touchscreen access. Drivers and commuters just want gloves from the car. Anyone who wants bare hand feel because they are nice and thin, as well as have some protection, and just everyday users who, like me, really hate wearing bulky gloves. Now, these are not winter gloves. And also, they're not armored motorcycle gloves. But for lightweight, all day usability, I think they are absolutely a great addition to your gear. So I think on a hot summer day, you still want to be wearing gloves. These are ones that I'll probably pull out. So overall, I think I'm actually really impressed with these. Again, I'll have to really wear them a lot more in the summer. But the bare hand dexterity, the 10-finger touchscreen support, the all-weather grip, excellent breathability, and the fact that they're made with Cordura, that durability, it all seems to come together in a glove that seems, nice and comfortable, and 100% a glove that I would actually wear. So if you guys want gloves that don't get in your way, I definitely think that these are gloves that you probably should just kind of check out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay warm, ride safe, and I'll see you guys next video. And as always, links down below if you are interested in these NexTorch gloves. Now, again, I think if you're also someone who likes doing like the paintball and things like that, I don't know how you do paintball, but if you do and you're super cool,